What is good? What is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. Hi, goody, what's good? I don't want to take up too much of your time today. I want to just make this video fairly quick. I got my daughter right now. She's only gonna allow me to be gone for so long, okay, before she really starts tripping out. So I'm gonna try to make this video real fast here and also get straight to the point and also show you some real payment proof that others are making with this particular system as well. Guys, if you're looking to make instant commissions, then I wanted to share something with you here. A proven company that's been around for going on 3 years now that I've been involved in since the start of it. And guys, I love the program. Literally, it's instant commissions, and you can get paid anywhere between from $25 to $2,000. Now when I say that here, and then what I'll do is just break them down. So $25, 100, 250, 500, 1,000, and 2,000. Now each level, as far as the commission structure goes, there's a product level there, and there's a vault of training that's going to teach you online marketing and pretty much give you a business in a box all in one. Okay, so pretty much here I wanted to go over this particular company. Now with this company here, you get paid, guys, is directly member to member. If you want the company to pay you out, you can definitely choose to do that, but I like for to control a lot of the payments that come in with me, so I actually accept payment through Square. I no longer use PayPal because PayPal shut down all of my business accounts. I also use Stripe. I also use Cash App, Bitcoin as well. But my main primarily use for this business is Square. It's Square and Cash App. Okay. So guys, now with this program here, I've actually been involved here, and when I came in, guys, I've been earning, anytime that I talk about this program, or if I sit back and I don't promote it, then there's always some type of commission that normally comes in, and that's why I love it, guys. And what the thing about it is that people are always looking for online training. When they're looking to come into an online space, they don't know much about marketing unless you're a pro. Sometimes people come in, they know their stuff, so they can just come in, join the business, build, make it their own, build capture pages, sales funnels around it, and promote it. So that's what a lot of people do that know their stuff. But this is what it's going to do, is teach you how to do that. Okay, I'm one of those people that can join a program, build a sales funnel around it, and go and market and promote it, and have a different sources that I can promote the business to. So I want to show you guys some things, and I'm also going to show you one source that I use. Once we're done here, you can definitely check it out and also pick it up if you like to utilize it as well, where I'm actually gaining 200 leads per day with this particular tool that I do utilize for my business here. So if you're looking to make instant commissions, guys, follow me. All right. Now, with this program here, the elevation level is the first level that you can come in at, which is at $25. Once you come in at that level, guys, you do consider yourself, and you get reseller rights. Now, you do pay an admin fee. Okay, so you do pay an admin fee as well on each one of these levels here, and it's like 10% of the actual price of the particular level that you come in at. Okay, now if you see these red check marks here, this is just highlighting a lot of the products, what they go over, how to offer a bonus, review writing techniques, how to create a free offer. So it's just giving you a lot of the information that you're going to get with that vault of training. The next section is going to be the elevation level. Now once you come in at this level here, you're I apologize, guys. My system, it froze up on me here. But let's go back down here to the $100 level. So once you come in at the $100 level, you're pretty much going to be qualified for this particular product level and the $25 level. Okay? So if we go down to the 250, the 250 is going to qualify us, and we're going to pretty much have the same ones. Okay? So the 250, you're going to pretty much be able to get, if you come in at this level, this is a real good level to come in at, guys, because you can make $500 in one day. These are when you can say I made $500 in one day, $750 in one day, because you can set your team up where everybody comes in at 250, move as a unit. Okay, some people do it all the time where they'll come in at one particular level where they know it's a sweet spot for their group, and they'll all come in at that level, and everybody pretty much eat off of it. Okay, $500 level, you're gonna get everything including the $500 level all the way down to the 250, to the 100, and to the $25 level. So if anyone comes in at any of those levels, you're going to be able to get paid. Now think about getting a vault of training of all this, guys. Literally all this. This is all training. It's going to teach you everything you need to know about marketing. So no more sponsor shopping. We don't care if your sponsor went into the witness protection program. Why should we care? Because we're going to teach you how to make money. We're going to teach you marketing on this. And this is not only the tool, God, not only the only tool that you're going to learn about, that we're going to show you a lot of things that we utilize here, guys, as well inside this system, especially if you decide you want to partner with me, and especially keep an eye on my YouTube videos, guys. Now that I got my charger back, I'm able to shoot videos like this again, so we can kind of get behind the screen and kind of show you the over-the-shoulder process of a lot of things that we're doing. So yes, then you can go over to the 1,000. Sorry guys, I mentioned I got my daughter here, so she started coughing, make sure she wasn't eating nothing. But this is going to be more of the social media marketing here, guys. The Facebook remarketing, targeting ads, email marketing, a lot of actually, what people are doing today when it comes to their marketing. So a lot of social media. You come in at this level, this is everything you're qualified for. So you're going to learn a lot of drop shipping. You're going to learn CPA marketing. And you're going to be qualified literally for all of the other product levels. Okay? So all of the other product levels you're going to be qualified for. All right? So these are your product levels that you can come in at, guys. So if you come in, you're going to be good to go. You're literally going to get qualified for all of the levels at the bottom. And again, as I mentioned, these are instant commissions. So whatever you want to get, where you want to get paid, you can get paid. I've taken payments through NetSpend from someone having a NetSpend account. I've taken payments through someone actually using Cash App. I've actually received a payment through Western Union. I've received a payment through Bitcoin. I've received payments through PayPal. Anyway, Square, whatever you want to use, you can get paid. So if you look at some of my previous videos, guys, I've shown you proof, a lot of my proof of, like I said, I've had a $500 commission here. I think I showed you guys last week. What I want to do here today, before I let you guys go, I want to share with you here a actual marketing system that I am utilizing here for this particular program. So what we try to do is make things easy for you. So we do all the selling and telling for you with this particular marketing system. So the only thing you need to do is just plug into the marketing system, and then we're going to show you how to get traffic to that marketing system so people can sign up for your business as well. Now it's just logged me out here, so let me get myself logged back in. So it's gonna log me back in. So just showing some of the pages that we can use. The video sales letter. The page that you can actually make your own video custom ID and utilize this page to utilize the social proof that's on the page, people commenting, and a lot of things like that. So I love that particular page. So if I shoot a video and want to upload it, then I can actually utilize the social links at the bottom, a lot of the social comments at the bottom. That just makes the page look better overall. Okay, so this marketing system is free for you to use, and you can definitely utilize this system to promote that particular company, which we're speaking of is Easy One Up. Now, what I want to do here, I want to pull up my Facebook. My Facebook is what was causing a lot of issues on here. It was freezing up. So what I'm going to do is get it pulled up here, and I want to take you in the back of the Easy One Up group where you can see a lot of people are making commissions. So you can see that this is real, and I'm just not speaking some crazy nonsense on this on the computer today. Okay, this is some guy just online saying, oh, you can make money and blah blah blah, and he didn't show nobody doing it or anything. Like, you know how people are, guys. But if you really watch my videos and if you really subscribe to me, you would see that I've actually shown multiple payment proofs of me making money with this particular program. So let me get everything pulled up, and then we're gonna go ahead and get right back to it, guys. So again, I want to make this video quick because I got my little one running around here, crawling around, and I don't know what she's getting into. And we are in. Yeah. Excuse me. So just let you know, this is real, guys. This is real. Pausing, babies in the room, watching what they're eating, still shooting the video. That's why I say, this is why I love shooting videos, guys, because I want to. This is how can I be someone hide behind a computer and showing you this is real life stuff. Okay, so here's the commission here. Gentleman made $1,300 with Easy One Up, showing the commission that he made. Good money. Good money. Okay, let's keep scrolling. See who else has made some money. Okay, looks like Simon's killing it here. So he consistently signs up people at the vertex level. This is what I was saying, where some people will sign people up at a certain level and just keep it moving. So guys, look at that, 250 level, and he's made over $1,300 in 15 months for his country. That's good. Another person made an easy one-up payment. Let's keep scrolling until we see some more. More people welcoming people. So you guys just see it's real that people are joining literally with this company all the time. People are joining every day. Commissions are being made. I've had previous videos where people have showed that they've made some good guys sell off YouTube. Always good shoot YouTube videos. This is Peter, the actual CEO of the company. So he always gives updates. Someone made an elevation, $25 level payment. Someone made $250 right here. Just scrolling. We're just scrolling, trying to see who else is making money. Albert made a sale. Here, so good deal, Albert. Who else made some money? Okay. See, there's so many people in this group, so we're constantly scrolling, trying to find stuff. It'll pop up the most recent stuff, then it'll pop up. You guys are on Facebook, you know how this goes. My newest Vertex Live says he can't log in, so think about it. Someone came in at the Vertex Live, guys, which was $2,000 level. She made $2,000 with that, okay? Some good money to be made. Great money to be made, guys. Good money, okay? So, what I want to do here, and since I showed you it's real, I'm able to utilize, guys. I blast out to 200 plus people a day, okay, with my lead gen secret, okay. So I get 200 leads a day with this particular system, and I'm able to blast out my business to those leads, okay. And I shared it on my Facebook today, where I had 8,000 subscribers that I selected that I was actually able to email my business to. So for some people to say, you know what, I don't have a big Facebook following, I don't have a lot of people that you know check for me like that, guys, this is a tool that you can definitely use, and I will have that attached in the comments as well. Not in the comments, my description. I'm sorry. I will have that information in there so you can check it out, and you can definitely pick it up and utilize the same thing that I was speaking about earlier in the first video today. But I wanted to share with you guys the easy one up is still rocking and rolling. We have a marketing system that's going to do all the selling and telling for you for the program, and you're going to have all the support that you need. So not only with the marketing system, guys, that you're getting, you're going to get also Facebook support with the marketing system. So the marketing system, you're going to get daily action plans. So look at this, daily action steps. We're going to show you what to do as far as marketing every day. The first income stream, which is residual, you're going to learn a lot of, pretty much here. There's going to be a big announcement call tonight regarding that, regarding our residual income program. So they're sharing that in the group. People being welcomed into the group. Daily action plan. So guys, it's all about helping you get to the next level. This was one of our last Sunday night masterminds that we had. So guys, we help you, okay? The whole goal is to help you make money, but we can't help you make money if you don't jump in and do what you need to do. All right, so I'm gonna wrap this video on up. I hope you guys have a beautiful and blessed day. Get positioned, get started. I'm gonna drop the links in the description. Okay, get going. Click that button. I'm out. Peace.